One of the Cybertruck owner complained that Cybertruck FSD was driving on the wrong side of the road. The owner said first time this happened, Cybertruck turned onto a side street and proceeded to drive on the wrong side of the road. FSD let it go like this for a while and then corrected it to the correct side of road. How can FSD get this wrong? We are baffled. FSD saw wet patch in the side road and went into the left lane. Looks like the road lines were a bit covered in salt or dirt, which might have confused FSD. No excuse though. The screen showed double yellow in the middle of the road, but it just wanted to stay in the left side for some strange reason. These are embarrassing, unacceptable errors that should be corrected soon before any accidents occurs. Multiple Cybertruck owners have reported similar issues with FSD,